All right, so today what we're going to be doing is actually unboxing a subscription box. As you can tell, it's going to be from Gentleman's Box. I've been subscribing to them for about 3 months now. This is not a paid advertisement. I subscribe to it myself. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be subscribing to them, but I have been impressed every time that I have opened one of these subscription boxes. Basically, you almost always get a tie, and you almost always get socks, and then a few other things in between. And we'll definitely read what comes in here, take a closer look at the quality of the material and whatnot as well. So as you can tell, I have not opened this box yet, so we're gonna experience this together for the very first time. And I will say, every time that I've opened one of these boxes, the quality seems really good. I like how they package the boxes. It feels quality. Basically, the reason I got started with these guys is on Amazon. They were running a deal where basically your first box was it was half price, I should say. And I thought I'd give it a try, and I haven't canceled yet, so that's good. So, how to be a true gentleman. Look good, feel good, be good. So, let's see what we got inside here. So this is a description of what we've got. So we'll go ahead and take a closer look at this as we open them up. So the first thing here, we got a nice pair of socks. I have been impressed with these socks. I've worn Gentleman's Box tie and socks for a company Christmas party, which is nice. Speaking of ties, do have a nice blue tie here with polka dots. And we'll go ahead and take a closer look at these again after everything has been opened up here. And looks like we got a nice travel name tag for your luggage. All right, so the first thing that we have here is from Aristo Ties. It's a tie. List price for $39. Does feel really nice. The Dead Socksy socks here list for $25. I don't know if I'd pay $25 for these, but I will say they do feel nice. And like I said, every time that I have received a pair of socks from Gentleman's Box, they have been really nice. Next, we have some collar stays. I will say I do like some collar stays, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. These are from Soft Landing. There we go. Pretty nice here. Apparently, they list at $20. So you got a couple of different sizes there, which are nice. I can tell you, I like using these collar stays as opposed to the plastic ones that typically come with the shirts. So definitely like that. From Honorable Beast, we have a passport case. Let's see, that's listing at $25. It's nice. I don't know. I think lately, when it comes to traveling, I've got the RFID blocking case for mine, but this is a nice case, so that's kind of nice. And then lastly, we've got the luggage tag, also from Honorable Beast. So all in all, it's not too bad. I believe the box lists for $29. You can get different deals. Like I said, definitely your first box, you should be able to get some sort of a deal. I'll leave a link in the description here so you guys can check them out. If you have any questions about Gentleman's Box, I'll do my best to try to answer them. Leave a comment down below. If you like this type of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and message me anything else that you'd be interested in as well. With that being said, thank you and have a great day.